Calaix Desastre al 90.1 de la FM o bocaradio.org.
Whisper to me, listen now. You let down before. Welcome to the world without words. Let's take a trip nowhere. We can feel start taking a breathe. Put your trust in me. Try to forget yesterday. We can fly away. It's not too late. We make the great escape. You and me. Together we're to stay and never let us run away. Take my hand if you're afraid. Welcome to the best day ever. If you have faith in your dreams, it's easier than it seems today. You'll see, just believe in me. Try to forget yesterday. We can fly away. Maybe someday we'll laugh in it. Because it's not too late. We'll make the great escape. You and me. Together we're fine. To go on the road show, to run into a million places to know. Follow me, come and let it roll. Let's make that explode. Just need to take control. Forget yesterday. We can find a way. Maybe someday we will have better days. Because it's not too late. We'll make the great escape. You and me. Together we're fine. Try to forget yesterday, but we can't get away. We're gonna better days. Because it's not too late. We'll make the great escape. You and me. Together we're fine. Together we're fine. A better day.
Segueix-nos al Twitter @Calaix Boca Ràdio i a la pàgina de Facebook Calaix Desastre.